We got a lot of solar. We got a little power station on the roof and we're producing enough for 2 houses. Hi, I'm Phil Coates. I live in Swansea with my wife Jackie, and we have a low energy, low cost, zero carbon house. We live in a 1970s house which contained fairly low insulation and relatively high energy running costs. So therefore we wanted to reduce our bills whilst at the same time reducing our carbon count to the world. Back in 2010, we researched some solar. There were grants available for putting solar on the roof. We thought we'd go forth. So currently, with the installation that we've got, we're producing 10,000 kilowatt hours per year on average. We do 6,500 local miles in our electric car, and we charge it up from our own charger. I had to go back and check the figures myself, and I've double checked them. It costs us £114 a year to do 6,500 miles in that car. It's less than 2p a mile. That's how you save money. In 2022, we went forward and purchased a heat pump. And like our solar in 2010, it was a step into the dark. And the heat pump now suits our style of living in terms of we're retired. And so we quite like the fact that the heating is on low and in the background and all the time, so we have a very warm environment. However, I think most families and people could work quite well with a heat pump. The main message that we have for others, or for people who've seen us, that the opportunity for others to do so is probably much wider than they might think. And it really is a win-win situation.